Vegetarian Keto Diet for Beginners, the ultimate guide. Are you curious about combining the power of keto with a plant-based lifestyle? The Vegetarian Keto Diet is a high-fat, low-carb approach focused on vegetarian-friendly ingredients. It helps you maintain energy, lose weight, and feel great, all without sacrificing your love for plant-based eating. The key to success lies in cutting down carbs while increasing healthy fats. Say goodbye to traditional carb-heavy vegetarian staples like bread and potatoes, and hello to avocados, nuts, seeds, and coconut oil. This keeps your body in ketosis, where fat becomes your main energy source. This diet doesn't just fuel weight loss, it boosts energy and mental clarity. By focusing on nutrient-dense, low-carb whole foods, you're giving your body the resources to thrive. Plus, it allows vegetarians to enjoy keto's benefits without relying on animal-based products. On this diet, stock up on plant-based fats like olive oil, chia seeds, and nut butters. Incorporate low-carb veggies like spinach, zucchini, and broccoli. Avoid carb-loaded foods such as pasta, rice, and sugary snacks. Always plan balanced meals to ensure you're getting enough fiber and protein. Starting out, it's easy to make missteps. One common mistake is eating too few calories, leaving you tired and hungry. Another is neglecting hydration and electrolytes, which are vital on keto. Stick to whole, unprocessed foods and plan meals carefully to make the transition smoother. Begin your journey by choosing 3 to 4 simple recipes to rotate through the week. Prep ingredients in advance to save time. Gradually reduce carbs to ease your body into ketosis. Track progress and adjust your meal plan as needed to stay motivated. Ready to transform your health while staying true to your vegetarian lifestyle? Start your vegetarian keto journey today. Experiment with new recipes, share your progress, and discover a new way to fuel your body. Like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly diet tips.